Hi, Christine. Hello. Annie, hello. Mike, hi, Mike. Yeah. No, it's a video. Yeah. Busy John.
So you put the pita with some meat.
What? How do you eat this?
It's pita bread.
Oh,
You
pita
just put
bread,
pita and you
yeah.
put the meat
It's a
and a
pita
little bit
bread.
of sauce.
Yes. Wow.
Wow, delicious. Oh my God. Lots of food.
And your other chair, Janice. Oh my God, I really want to eat now. We have a lot of noodles. And this is papaya salad. I bought it. Oh yeah, that's so good.
Bali kami, so maraming ay mga foreigner doon. Pero maganda din ang climate.
Well, he saw how many people were in the picture last time. He said, oh, I didn't make enough. Wow.
Ang dami ulam natin dito ah.
Yeah. I stuck with always be having Thursday. Is this enough for my lunch?
Grab some more, but I don't. Riley said, Mom, you don't have to work 21 hours. Done with that.
No.
Talaga.
Ube,
Yung
best
Pilipina na ano, sayaw ko sa Sumba.
Ah.
Wow!
This is so yummy. Oh my
Ano
God.
yung pangalan niya? Ha? Yung binigyan ko niya.
I know her.
Retired na rin siya. Retired na rin siya sa
Okay. You like
Oh my God, I love that. What is that one?
Ube.
Sa ube.
a small split?
Yeah, yeah. It's good. It's good, yeah. It's really very good. It's homemade.
So good.
Perfect.
Yeah, the smooth, you know, it's smooth, right?
Next time we should get the recipe. It's salty and sweet. It's good.
That's normal.
Now we put ice cream on bread.
Yeah, we
Oh yeah,
ice
yeah,
cream.
yeah, yeah. We did it. Ice cream sandwich
Or pancit sandwich.
on bread.
Yeah.
But usually it's like a bowl.
No, it's a bun. In the Philippines, they'll sell it on the street. And then it's a bun in front of bread.
Like a street fair?
Yeah.
It's just like a hamburger.
Like a
Hamburger.